Title: Gash, Understanding a Common Injury. Meaning: today, we're delving into the word gash. A gash is a deep, long cut or wound, typically caused by a sharp object. It's important to recognize and treat gashes promptly to prevent infection. Usage: gashes can occur in various situations, from kitchen accidents to outdoor mishaps. It's essential to clean and dress a gash properly to aid in the healing process. Pronunciation: when it comes to pronunciation, it's straightforward, gash, with a soft G and a short A, similar to dash. First aid tips: if you or someone you know gets a gash, remember to apply pressure to stop the bleeding, clean the wound, and use sterile bandages to cover it. Seek medical attention if it's deep or doesn't stop bleeding. Conclusion: in summary, understanding what a gash is and how to respond to one can make a significant difference in your safety and well-being. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, stay safe and be prepared.